Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: for the left figure below, replace the distributed loads by an equivalent resultant force and a couple moment acting at point A. See the right figure below. Let A equal to 3.85 m, W1 equal to 5.70 K N over M, and W2 equal to 4.10 K N over M. Students submit image transcription available below. Calculate the resultant force Fr and the couple movement Mr, A dot. Don't forget to include the appropriate signs with your numerical answer. Express your answer numerically in kilonewtons and kilonewton-meters to three significant figures separated by a comma. The answer of the question is sure. Here's how you can do the calculation in Excel. First, calculate the resultant force Fr. Use the formula Fr is equal to W1 plus W2 times A in Excel. A is equal to 3.85, W1 is equal to 5.70, W2 is equal to 4.10. Fr is equal to W1 plus W2 multiplied by A. Calculating Fr in Excel. A, W1, W2, Fr 3.85, 5.70, 4.10 is equal to B2 plus B3 multiplied by A2. Result Fr is equal to 37.73 Kn. Second, calculate the couple movement Mr, A. Use the formula Mr, A is equal to W1 plus W2 times left frac 1 into 2 A raised power 2. Right in Excel. Mr, A is equal to W1 plus W2 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by A raised power 2. Calculating Mr, A in Excel. A, W1, W2, Mr, A 3.85, 5.70, 4.10 is equal to B2 plus B3 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by A2 raised to power 2. Result Mr, A is equal to 72.57 Knm. Therefore, using Excel we find Fr equal to 37.73 text Kn, M into R, A is equal to 72.57 text into Kn, C dot text into M. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.